Yeah, peace to everybody. What's going on? I decided to make this video today, do this recording. I thought it was necessary. You know, I'm gonna talk a little about quantum physics, and that has a lot to do with the illusion that we're living in, and just overall of us. Some people still being stuck within the quantum physics of how everything is being orchestrated within the box, and the whole fact of the matter is, quantum physics has everything to do with the natural functions of how Earth is being constructed on a physical level and on a soul level, whereas you supposed to be in a lord over quantum physics, which means you're supposed to have an overstanding of quantum physics and how things work within this dimension. And within quantum physics, you're dealing with your positives and negatives, your right, left brain, and things like that. The natural organized comprehensions of this earth plane that we're in. And we have a lot of people, such as our own, that are still stuck within the physics of the earthly desires, you know what I mean? The material world, so to speak. So, I have experienced these last couple of days of, beings who are just literally stuck in the past. They have this ideal that by them can, conjuring up this continuance of explaining their past and harping on the past, that is going to make a change in their present condition. you know as life move on, as earth keeps spinning and circulating through this damn heaven, you know what I mean? That's how we should be moving. We should be moving continuously and not harp on the past. We can learn from our past. You know what I mean? Sometimes we don't even got to, but sometimes you can go back in your past so you can perfect your present or current situation. And that has everything to do with choices. You know what I mean? You have people in life who blame you for the choices that they have made. You know what I mean? I didn't make the choice for you. And these are people who you let them know, like, listen, this is not a good idea. You know what I mean? The fact that you letting them know ahead of time, like, listen, this is the outcome I think that may transpire. Then when it transpire, you know, they attack you as if you made the decision for them when they made that choice. You know what I mean? How you gonna blame me and get mad at me because of the choices you made, and because I don't want to entertain the stupid choice or decision you made when I told you specifically not to do that? You want to get angry, you want to be pissed off, you want to cause chaos and destruction. Those are beings who are finite. You know what I mean? They are limited beings. They don't deal with what they would call the spiritual, or or the soul journey. What they do is, they're still stuck in the mind of the quantum physics. You know what I mean? The square. They're still stuck in that prison. So they can only identify themselves with matter, the material. You know what I mean? And not only that, when you're dealing with people in this realm, you have to have proper observation skills. And I'm talking about how people dress, how people talk, how people move just in general, how they handle business. People have a lack of eyesight and observation when it comes to dealing with people, making choices, doing deals when it comes to business. Okay. Now, I make it quite simple. The fact that a person is operating within the material mind should give you, uh, a red alert that, this person is not operating on a pure state of mind. This person is still stuck on that root vortex, which they call a root chakra. So when you're conducting business of any sort with people such as those, know that they are not to be trusted. They are not to be trusted. So the fact that when people do business with these type of people, these concubines, these niggas out here, and when I say nigga, I'm talking about the nigga mentality. These cats out here, they go for the women out here too. They have the nigga mentality. And because you come from a pure, I guess, a pure intention, some people think they coming from a pure intention, but you only attract what your energy or frequency is vibrating on. You know what I mean? So you do business with a concubine, a nigga, whoever. Do not expect loyalty in any form of fashion. You need to expect a dog, someone who's gonna, stab you in the back, that's gonna renege on their word, and their word is not their bond. So that's something that you must see ahead of time. You should know what you're dealing with. And because these people are so finite and limited that they don't have the proper understanding and observation on reading body language, just reading energy in general. You know what I mean? These people are very, very ignorant, and very childlike, very, very childlike. And it's disgraceful. It's very much disgraceful. And then they want you to respect and advocate to their feelings, tell them what they want to hear, tell them, oh, you right about this, you right about that. Nah. Every time you give people the real, they get uncomfortable. Why? Because they not real. When you give people the proper counsel and letting them know how to up and up their mentality, up and up their game, and to be more observant, they cool with being content with being fooled. They love being fooled. They love being finessed because in some form of fashion they get a charge up in they mainframe of a mind, of a weak mind. You know what I mean? They get a feel or a satisfaction out of chaotic arguments, and physical behavior. You know what I mean? They get riled up. It's like I don't. It's like a satisfaction there. You know what I mean? They get aroused. It's like a desire for them to enjoy being angry and causing all types of chaos. You know what I mean? So they gotta keep that will going within that realm because in some form of fashion, with them being finessed, they like to argue and things like that. They love it. They love the root, man. They love that root vortex. They love the matter world. You know what I mean? They can't see themselves rising above that. And that's why I say they're stuck in quantum. They're stuck in the physical, the quantum physic, the quantum physical. They're stuck. You supposed to be the master of quantum physics. You supposed to oversee, you know what I mean? Overpower quantum physics. You know? You supposed to focus on your present and deal with it accordingly. The past is over and done with. So why you focus on the past? Earth is not worried about the past, so why should you? Earth don't give a damn about your past. Earth is doing the work. You know what I mean? Continuously. And Earth is a live entity that serves a major purpose. You know what I mean? That serve a ultimate purpose. These people are lost, man. They lost. Even if it was in a book, you know what I mean? They wouldn't even be able to analyze it. They slow, man. They slow juice. And that's why I say these people, man, they not real. They fake, man. They fake. They seriously fake. They love the illusion. They love being lied to. But much peace. I'm going to speak more.